One of the many joys of summer is soaking up the sunshine and enjoying a relaxing day on the water. Whether you're lounging by yourself or playing pool games with your family, poolside time not only helps us unwind but helps us create memories. Spending a day at the pool is often accompanied by pool accessories, and one item that is absolutely essential to relaxing is a pool float. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best pool floats on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Jason Well Inflatable Pool Float. Comfortable backrest and footrest. This pool float lounger features a supportive backrest and footrest, allowing you to comfortably float for hours of fun and relaxation in hot summer days. Pool lounger with 2 cup holders. The inflatable lounger float is equipped with built-in cup holders. Cooling mesh seat. Water chair pool float with a soft mesh bottom to keep you cool. No gravity, stress-free. Perfect pool floaties. Inflatable lounger for outdoor pool parties, beaches, lakes, rivers, and more. Cool foot area. The inflatable float is designed with an area where you can put your foot and legs in the water for cool and splashing fun. Ultimate floating relaxation with this pool float lounger. Great stability, large adult size. Sit back, relax, and get the premium pool lounger experience. Premium vinyl. The pool float for adults is made of heavy-duty thick, soft, and premium raft-grade non-phthalate material. Number 2. Cute Child Kids Inflatable Pool Float. The Greyest Kids Inflatable Pool Float is the best pool float for toddlers. Available in a variety of different designs including brightly colored airplanes and a race car, your toddler will love using this float. It's designed for toddlers ages 1 to 5 and has a weight capacity of up to 55 pounds. Easily inflatable, the float is made of heavy-duty PVC material and is layered so the float is airtight from any possible leaks. It also has 2 side handles so mom and dad can easily hold on as their child glides through the water. Your child will also get a special kick out of the working horn on the steering wheel. Product details. Dimensions: 32 by 26 inches. Recommended age: 1 to 5 years old. Inflation method: air pump. Weight capacity: 55 pounds. This float is available in a car or airplane style, and it has a working horn. Number 3. Big Joe Lazy Lounger No Inflation Needed Pool Float. This Lazy Lounger by Big Joe is the best pool float for a pool party or just a relaxing day on the lake or at the beach. This 100% polyester material float doesn't require inflation, and it's also made of a quick drying material that makes it easy to store and makes it hassle-free to clean. The body is filled with absorbent beans that allow for buoyancy and balance so you can relax comfortably in the pool. It includes a headrest, armrests, and a leg rest so every part of your body is supported in the pool. There's also a built-in cup holder, so you can drink your favorite ranch water cocktail this summer. Made for adults, this pool float holds up to 250 pounds and is available in 7 different colors and patterns. Product details. Dimensions: 42 by 38 by 11 inches. Recommended age: adults. Inflation method: no inflation needed. Weight capacity: 250 pounds. Number 4. Bing Pet Inflatable Dog Floating Raft. This Lazy Lounger by Big Joe is the best pool float for a pool party or just a relaxing day on the lake or at the beach. This 100% polyester material float doesn't require inflation, and it's also made of a quick drying material that makes it easy to store and makes it hassle-free to clean. The body is filled with absorbent beans that allow for buoyancy and balance so you can relax comfortably in the pool. It includes a headrest, armrests, and a leg rest so every part of your body is supported in the pool. There's also a built-in cup holder, so you can drink your favorite ranch water cocktail this summer. Made for adults, this pool float holds up to 250 pounds and is available in 7 different colors and patterns. Product details. Dimensions: 42 by 38 by 11 inches. Recommended age: adults. Inflation method: no inflation needed. Weight capacity: 250 pounds. Number 5. Bestway H2O Go Deluxe Comfort Plush Pool Floats. Even a man's best friend enjoys a refreshing pool day. With the Bing Pet Inflatable Dog Floating Raft, your dog can enjoy a relaxing day on the water, too. Made of 100% durable PVC material, this is the best pool float option for your dog because it's resistant to sharp claws and teeth. There are 2 different ports for inflation on the float: a lower, inner layer, and a higher, outer layer. The float holds up to 100 pounds, so it is ideal for smaller to medium-sized dogs. The paw print pattern, available in blue or pink, will have your pooch feeling stylish at the pool or beach. Product details, dimensions, 60 by 33.5 by 6 inches, recommended age, not listed, inflation method, air pump, weight capacity, 100 pounds. Why you should get it: this float is made of 100% PVC material that will not pop or puncture. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.